In this video, you will learn how to create your first pivot table in Excel. It is very easy to do. I believe all of you should be able to follow along well. So let's get started. Let's return to our Foodmart preparing Excel file. Go to Data, click on Queries and Connections. So these are the queries and connections that you have loaded into this Excel file. These are the you did in the previous video series. Now let's go to Insert, click on Pivot Table. Make sure to select Use this workbook's data model. We want to place the pivot table on a new worksheet. Click on OK. So this is a new worksheet that has been created for you. This worksheet contains all the pivot table fields. These are the tables and these are the areas where you can drag the fields into it and create the pivot tables. Now let's go to our calendar lookup table and let's select month name. Left click, hold it and drag month name into rows. So you have a rows of all the months. And let's go to transactions 1997 to 1998 and drag quantity into values. Congratulations! There you have it. You have just created your first pivot table. It gives you the sum of quantity of the transactions sold according to month. At the bottom of the table, there is a grand total of all the items sold. Pretty slick, right? Now, what if you do not want to present it in a sum of quantity? Is there any other functions? The answer is yes. Simply click on the drop-down button next to your sum of quantity. Go to Value Field Settings, and these are some of the value fields that you can select to present it in your pivot table. Let's select Average and press OK. So now your pivot table shows the average of quantity sold according to the month. If you want to remove a pivot table field, simply click on this drop-down menu and select Remove Field. So it will be removed from your table. Another way of removing it is to left-click on the field and pull it away from the pivot table fields. So now there is no fields in the pivot table and the pivot table is gone. You may save the file now and proceed to the next video.